mad. See guys, welcome. We are in Ocho Rios right now, right by the clock. I'm about to do a TikTok live, but I'm vlogging this one for YouTube. Cool at the same time. Big up everybody with up on the live on TikTok, and hopefully we get some people up on YouTube. Let me do just one free flip. Alright, one. Me take out the item so I can see. The back flick. Alright, me I gonna do that one for you, so I'm gonna forward. Forward. Not a feel. Big up yourself. That is a backhand spring. One backhand spring. Watch out. That is it. You see that tape here? If you don't mash up my shoes, because I mash up shoes half thin in the dog. Mash up shoes, yeah, watch you with it. When me want to do flare them, let me give a demonstration. This is why I just tie up my shoes. My shoes. I'm going to do flare them. I'm going to do flare them. See? Shoes side them. Always rub off. So I have to tape you. Them have to send. Come tell them. Come tell them say to send. Tell them to send one confetti. Tell them say send one confetti because you want to see a backflip. Because I not do it if they not send
it. Send one confetti because I want to see a backflip.
And you hear that you would say you have to send something. So no send something. So you want it. Oh you want it. Regular backflip stand up to a Spiderman. How me feel like? Not like Spider. Alright. See it up. Like so no. Not bad, no. Alright. Them nasty, come on. The center glasses. See forward there. I'm not tell you, how you want to see now? Alright, watch out now. See the glasses, that front flip. See there? Room. That's not the 2025, bro, God. It's not that one. Another one there, the one with the glasses. That one there is T-Move version. It's not the T-Move version. The T-Move version can't buy me flick them. But flick them too expensive for that. You see it? Eh? Me how much? Me? Not 10. Not 10. Yeah man, yeah. Grade 4 me now. Come through my side. Oh what? See, please, but see, I just realize that, you know.
See a long time, man.
Yeah,
me have come here back home.
Yeah.
I realize you and they put on the tour.
Like these guys, man, I see it. Like this guy.
Yeah, man, pick up everybody here. I want you to sit there now.
Watch the side. They got that
yourself. It's a man with a big boss.
That is it. Alright.
Look at man you dancing now. Look at the video coming through, you know.
Yeah, keep them it, man.
I'm be down here, look at Tommy, you know.
Yeah, for sure, them it.
Yes, yeah.
I want that truck, man.
Shut up the truck, man. Yeah. There's a message in look. Funny dance. See it?
Yeah.
Watch it dance. Watch it dance.
See it there. Yeah.
Watch it. Watch it.
Yeah.
See it, catch it dance. Slide to the right. Slide to the left. Up on your toe. Down.
Yeah.
Rock your shoulder. You see me say? Pop your collar. Brush your shoulder. One zip it up. You see me say? Alright, my dance now. My dance, you could tell me soon for this song. The dance is already out there, so watch me dance. Look at me. Just like this. There. Excuse me.
What's up?
My side, and I see it, when I like it, social anxiety. Me not no social. Brother, a long time I do this. Me not afraid. Me not afraid, you know. When you remember sending in the gift if you don't want to see something. That's not the 2025 guys. It's the 2025 glasses, okay? Why you don't want to send me one kind? I can't do the flip for one kind, bro. God, big up on yourself still. It's the glasses. John Star, and I move. So do it, man.
Yes, my people, back again. Mad near the ping bot. Ping! Catch it. Catch it. Look at Tommy. Catch it. To the right. to the left. Yeah, straight. See that? Liquor. Yeah, get it. See it. Oh, see it. Watch it. Oh, no, man. Yo, when the song fight, not going to see more dance. You see? Because Spiderman, I'm a birthday, and I'm a virgin, you know. Where we are come from. Want to support him. Want to support me. Number. Pick up principal for the years. Breaking boys, I'm madness. I'm out. Eba.
Extra. Because I had you waiting, I'm going to give you an extra for that. Cool? Alright. Yeah.
Yeah, big up Spiderman, special request. Blessed, this is Culture Flex. New B single, sound, special. Yeah? Once more.
Give them a piece I sang, man. Live.
Once more.
Give
Yeah.
them a piece I sang live, man.
Live.
Yeah,
This
man.
is once more,
live.
once more. Say, Culture Flex, straight, once more. Galang.
Yeah.
This is once more.
That is it.
X amount of lyrics, have them like sand pan seashore.
Yeah, that.
Have them galore. Yeah? Issue to the rich and we issue to the poor. Yeah man, Culture Flex. One more. Highly blessed. Fire burn.
That's a myself, my king. Put 8 in our chat. Type 8. Everybody type 8. Type the number 8 right now. Boom, 8 of them. That is it. And respect, big up. Dog say lazy. What you mean lazy? And you lie down in your bed at top screen. I mean I tell you about lazy what you have flick. Well, all them people they not easy, you know. Hold on, remember me on the Optimus Prime, you know. Hold on. Have to catch me right, don't. Don't you have to breathe to live. Yeah, you need oxygen. Let me get some oxygen, hold on. Alright, because me have to take some breath, I go in a little extra panda flick there, see? You see front flip? They're going to do the front flick with 1 foot. Oh my son. So everybody type 1 in our chat. You think you can do it? You say, hey, me I go drop?
Yeah.
Me I go drop? Me nah drop, brother. Can't drop. Can't drop. 1 in our chat there. 1-legged. 1-legged. So we are like. See that? Easy something, man. 1 leg, man. Why you say me I go drop? Why you say me I go drop? Me nah drop, man. It's too tight, then enough it tight. How where you come from? How we school last month you go? What do you mean if school too tight? It's supposed to tight. What's the problem? What's your problem? It's supposed to tight. What the fuck? You then start cussing in chat now. Nobody start cussing now. Anyways, somebody send a choral. Somebody send a choral, but me do some of that.
Nobody knows how Ocho.
Now I know what you me come from. Portland me come from. Me just follow that Ocho. The web too? Can't shoot the web too, man. Them have to, well on, me so reach this, so well on. Nah, me I do it, man. Huh? Me so do that, man. There you go. Wait a minute. Jonah, them there, maybe you don't rate them thing there, but them there, name Flair. Them there, I think it'll take at least 3 years to learn that. No, I see people are laughing, but it's going to take you at least 3 years to learn that. For some people, it might take more. Yeah? So that is like a gymnastic move. It's in gymnastic. I really think I'm serious. Like in name. Rascal, Jonah. Alright, me I send back Jonah. Guys, we are going to send back Jonah and Coral. Jonah no rate we. We are send back Jonah our Coral. We are refund Jonah.
Spiderman.
Jonah no understand the thing. Me no know. Jonah look like Jonah the one me drop and bus maid and she would have feel good about that one day. Refund nobody. Man, that Jonah lift up here, man. We not refund nobody. Anything you send me a mine. I can't bother. If you don't rate the thing, you see here what? If you can't do it, you see if you can't do it, then you can't talk to me. If you can't do it, me don't want to hear nothing from you. You not get back nothing. You get chopped. Me not deal with this. Me not make you no lily down me thing. Jonah go like she want lily down me thing. Me not like that. Me like he gift, but me not like that lifestyle. Me not like that. So here what you get chopped, you not get it back. So a money gun for you web. What me say money gun?
Money gun.
What me say money gun?
Money gun.
Money gun! It's the man. I go and Paul. There that place. Yeah, they far the one. Watch here there.
But we can't show inside.
How much?
I can't show inside.
Oh, watch here live. Oh, that's a kind of a far journey that. See I run off live.
Show inside.
And they want to see. If they pay for it, but they don't want to pay for nothing. They want everything free. You ever see nothing so yet?
No.
They don't know it's a life not free. You have to pay for that shirt there, don't. Or your mother have to pay for it, don't. Yeah, everything you have to pay for. So I don't understand. Everybody in our chat that talk about do it now, do it now. Shoot the fall, then some shoot it on the fall. Nah, for brave to do it. Chat too much. You know, I not answer no. I not answer on you because I can't diss on you, but I not diss nobody. Yeah, moderator, wanna just mute them or block who forget black. Cause live after chatting. Anybody will come on live and tell people and chat too much at dunce. Because obviously live did it for chat. What else you going to do on it live? Just sit down and look in a space, you idiot. Alright, watch you now. I'm ready. I will fire web show them. Because all our people will never believe. All our people will never believe. I three of them, man. I see them, I three. Ready, tight, ready now, man. Let me fire web show no dog. Bucket. Hey. When you feel say Spiderman a fake dog, how will you take this thing for? Ready? Watch you now, watch you now. Stop, so. I went there. I am that. There you go, so. Oh, clad. Watch web dog. Oh, clad. You know, Sam, I've got to do it again. Cause 3 money gun me get in. Hold on, let me do it again.
We're not going over here.
Alright guys, who never see web, I go see it now. So make sure to tap my screen and share my live. Who never see web, I go see it now. You know, yo, who me fi look for? Which villain me fi look for? Eh? Which villain me fi look for? Destiny? A Destiny me fi look for? Where donkey there? Yo, we are look for donkey, you know, cause where donkey there? Hee-haw, when there? Blood clot, I donkey that. Where donkey there? Blood clot, hee-haw, you like hear it? Hee-haw, hee-haw. You look for donkey, you know, dog, you see it? Hee-haw. Spidey sense is a thing, you know. I be a hee-haw, me I hear everywhere, dog. They say, alright, I eat that, I went there. I go so, boom, I fire it saw again. My side, wanna see it? Wanna see that again? Wanna see that again? The donkey dead. And feel web again, see it here now. Which villain we look for now? Wanna drop a villain in our chat there? Let me see which villain we look for you now. Type a villain in our chat there. Rosalie, Jesus Christ. Won't want me and Rosalie, no problem. Jaden, me rascal. Shalom, you can't shoot Shalom. Shalom a hero. Shalom a hero, you can't do that. Rosalie near me see most in a Lisa hype. Rosalie, Venom, Destiny. We shoot Destiny already. Alright, Alright, we go for Rosalie. So everybody live on her name, you know. I don't want to live on her name either, you know. I never pay rent for live on Rosalie name, you know. But I want to say, I want to start the fuckery. So here what? I go just a Rosalie we are look for. Anywhere you see earthquake come from, anywhere you go and you see ground a shake. You hear ground a shake, so you know say Rosalie come, you know. You hear ground a shake, watch it. Bumbo claw, watch it. Me have to go pop out the web dog. Watch it, pop out the web out of my pocket, so blood clot, who that, a Rosalie that, watch it. Bumbo clad. Shoot him with the web. Shoot him with the web. In deflate. In deflate.
You want a bad interest?
Oh, go on. Panta de hold on there. We have a surprise. We have a surprise, my side. Guys, we have a surprise. We have a new hero. One hero just pop up. Help me. One hero just pop up. Help me, my side. What? I think I joke. Which era you think just pop up? I'm not joking, I'm serious. Which era you think just pop up a while ago? Type in our chat. Type in our chat.
Can we tell them?
No, not tell them, man. Not tell them. Type in our chat. Who you think just pop up a while ago?
Like,
Introducing another hero. And that era you come from Ocho, you know. You know me come from Portland. That era I know Hulk man, I know Hulk, but he's strong, you know, but I know Hulk. You ready? Drum roll. Bumbo clad. How would that? The Bombay. Then go on. Room. What me say? It's Black Panther to Bumbo clad. Pretty good. Eh? What less of a 7G. Come in. Watch out my side, watch out. Come tell the people my name. We are take a commercial break. Commercial break. The dog just come what third? The dog just come 49 class, you know. So we are give dog a congratulations. The dog just pop up here so. You see, no dunce youth around here. That's what I say. So I want to see some people that say congrats. I want some people say congrats tonight. Commercial break. I want to tell the man congrats. Congrats. Let's go. Which school? Marcus Garvey Technical High School, him say. Mad thing, that is it. Congrats, my G. Big up yourself. Alright, commercial break up. Alright, back to Spiderman, you know. Out of 30. Yeah, make youths and get them congrats. Cool. Alright, back to flicking again. Flick dog. Yeah, man, take time. Fuck up my knee before me come here, you know.
man, I'm alive, fuck up, charge.
Take time, brother.
Maybe you're not tired, you know.
That man, I did me a wait for free money gun, man. Me not do things for free in a dog. You nasty me do wrong. If me not get something, me never move from here, so. Number two. Woo! Nice. Let's go. I don't want nobody tell me no foolishness in our chat, you know. Because he name talent. He never just drop out of the sky. We did have to practice for years. So I don't like the people them who go on like they want style thing. I don't rate to know. And something you can get up out of your bed and try. Get up out of your bed and go try it now. And send me a video. Go on now. Go do it now and show me. Alright, so now give me no chat. You see what I say? Well, never give me no chat. Just support the thing, run up the top, Sam. Send to give in our chat. Cool? Hey! Sorry, me never see you. You good? I like your outfit. See me, watch out. That one is worth one kind, bro, God. One kind and not even one Jamaican cent. Much less. Just think about it. And not even one Jamaican cent. And you can't even buy no for $5 out here. So why me fi flick for one kind? But a serious note, you know this me, you know. Me just say thank you, then one day when me get just a thank you and respect. You get what I say? But me can't actually flick for that. Imagine somebody send me 1,000 of them there. Me go do 1,000 flick. Me rascal, I would have dead. Yeah, big up. Huh? Doing flip. Wanna see it? Look, look, look. Little girl said, "Where is your mask?" We get one more 2025 guys.
Tell them 7 minutes, we got rehab, yeah?
Rehab? Yeah, you're right. And our glasses. We up. I know where they come from. I know where they come from.
I fucking war them.
Eh.
I fucking war.
Ocho.
Mirror.
Anyways, guys, so somebody send a galaxy. Let's start. Turn the camera.
Food.
I want me out China, dog.
Yeah, I come again with the one here again.
That's it, Marvin today. I get tired now for real, bro. I swear. You see, that's why I have to collect. Because I can't do this whole day, bro. Me and a robot, I am not Optimus Prime. Optimum Prime, no. Tell them to send the glasses. They know what TikTok going on.
No send the glasses them.
Yeah.
Stop some roses. Don't send the glasses, please. Come on, send the
You
glasses.
want the
Galaxy.
girls? They get you the girls.
A galaxy.
Send the
Alright,
glasses.
let me do a
No.
couple of them.
Yeah, man.
Breaker, respect. Look.
Oh, hey! One more, you lick your face.
I land someone comes
No,
Yeah. Thank you guys. Me I get tired, man. We really tired now. Alright, fun fact you never know. Now you tell so at one point, he did the best flips in Jamaica. Don't tell him to Mutono. He did the best flips in Jamaica. This man should have in a should have in a gymnastic and them thing there. You send a galaxy we can do some flick show. No? Let me go up there go clear his screen. Everybody type 1. Yeah, go up there go clear place so nobody. Everybody type 1.
Yeah, dude, I know I'm tired. Yo! Superhuman. Yeah, one, we're ready to go.
Rios. Here's the chicken, only $285.
Let's say if you walk for me and me I go do that. Yeah, me do bookings, man. Just message me. Lion for the baby. Send a lion. Send a lion.
Send a lion.
So we get the money going.
Stop roses.
Alright, I'm gonna do something now, alright? Watch out now. go in a suitcase. What carry that suitcase? Hey! Do a good job. Good job. Up top. Hey! High. Down low. Around the waist. Touch it. It's like she's doing trick. Around the waist. Touch it. Alright, we can't get the next one of the hot one. The girl says say lion. You're not listening? Rawr! Rawr!
Does the lion make?
Rawr! Rawr! Lion!
Big roar.
Rawr! Rawr! Do not laugh. Say lion!
She's so cute.
Hey, you okay? You have Jamaica Day today. Yeah, you're the green colors. Ready?
Spiderman now. You see that? Send lion. Send lion. Say that?
Man, bless up on yourself and thank you. Like that. Yeah man, bless up guys. Tell Zoe hi. Oh wow, they get fun already. They get fun. Right? Man, bless up on yourself and thank you. Like that. Yeah man, bless up guys. Tell Zoe hi. Oh wow, they get fun already. They get fun. Right?
What?
That is good enough.
Oh.
Yeah man.
Oh, tell Zoe hi for me. Okay. I'll see if somebody else.
Guys, remember follow the. You know I go follow the page. I'm gonna post this live on YouTube also. So my YouTube channel is Jamaican Spiderman. Okay. Oh, start the pasta. Watch the pasta. Time mother wants to start cussing now. Alright guys, come check it. Okay.
I sorcerer, fire, Holy Ghost. Hey, repent from
How far past that? How far past that? Remember God. On a serious note, remember God. But still a over top pasta. When you come pick up on the pasta from Ocho base, still a over pasta that. You hear that? When you listen to the word of God. We are giving you, some I want to need Jesus for true, you know. We don't need Jesus, so may I give you now, when you listen to the man talk, we don't need Jesus. You Nice. She's learning gymnastics. Gymnastics. Look at gymnastics. You know gymnastics? You go to gymnastics?
Me all about you.
You go to gymnastics. Hey, look at that. Oh, watch talent, my side. Look at hey, See, we have young talent. Hey.
People, me just look two bull on a back
Tell them to follow your page before you do nothing too.
I forgot to have a page. People, Jamaican Black Panther, Wakanda forever. Please follow the page. Yeah, man. Greatly appreciate it. Bodo chap.
Yeah, HD boss at over there. Yeah, man. I am, man.
Yeah, the one with the big belly. Yeah, him. The fans them then recognize them by your stomach.
Yo, in a life, you have to have guts. You see me? In a life, you have to have guts. You see me? You have to have guts. You see me? Yeah, man. I told them they're young, then I get for them guts yet.
Enough guts. Show no follow now. Follow now. Me I go no 10 seconds. Follow now. Me happy end the life. Go on then. Yeah man. Bless up on yourself and respect for pass through. Everybody will pass through. Big up and respect. You hear?